Hey guys, this is Divya and welcome back to my channel. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Probably I'm gonna upload this video after Diwali only. So belated happy Diwali. Right now I'm in Uttarakhand. So I'm gonna give you a home tour in this video. Let's start. So this is my room right now. So I'll start with my room only. There are not too much of things here because I don't live here. I live in Mumbai. So that's my big bathroom, which my relatives think is like a room. Whenever they come, they are like, it's like a room. I know it's like a room because there's bathtub also, so that is fine. So let's start with hall. This is my hall, as you can see. That's my brother's room, and that is kitchen. That is the best part in a home. You can get all the delicious food and cook first of all. Hope I am covering it with the right angle as I am looking for the perfect home tour kind of a thing. I think this angle is perfect. So this is my kitchen where my mom cooks delicious food. I'm trying to learn few dishes from her. I just shoot like this. So we saw the whole thing. So this is my kitchen where my mom cooks the delicious food. I'm trying to learn few recipes from her so I can cook like her. Let's do OG. Now I am taking you to the place where I'm banned most of the time. So this is my brother's room where I'm not allowed most of the time because as usual I annoy him a lot. That's what siblings are for. So I take you to the hall again. I will show it to you. This is our hall, a dining table where we eat basically. So that's the main entrance. And that's again my brother's room. His washroom and all. And that's storeroom. Point 1. Because storeroom point 2 is this room, which is mine. Because I don't live here, so it's kind of a storeroom only. Because if this storeroom is filled, my mom keeps most of the things here. So I'll show you one more thing. That's our Monday room. You can see. I'll just flip the cam so you can see it properly. This is our Monday room. Now I'll take you to the room of the Home Minister, my mom. It's just a power cut in between. It's fine. That's our Home Minister's room. That's my father sitting over there. Hi, Guru. And that guy's. This is our And that's my brother. And that's my brother. Older brother. Everyone thinks he's younger than me and they're watching it's India's match today. So they are busy. Here's my mom. So in a while, there will be Lakshmi Puja as it's Diwali. So we're going to do the puja here. So I'll take you out from this exit to the terrace. That's our area basically. I'll take you to the terrace now. That's the main entrance I was talking about. You can come from here. And that's the main gate. Someone is there. Wait. नमस्कार. I forgot to turn on the light. पप्पा भाई भाई लाइट की कहाँ से है इधर का? लाइट कहाँ से इधर का? First is guest for Diwali. So I'll take you to the terrace now. I'm wearing skirt here. I'll take you to the terrace. Okay. That's our terrace. So I'll just show you. That's our terrace.
They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
I'll show you the area. The area is quite pretty. And now I'll go downstairs and I'll show you the house from the outside. I'll show you it. Just climb down the stairs. I'll take you outside now. I'm wearing slippers. Now we'll go outside and I'll show you the house from outside. That's my house. I know you can't see it. I'll just flip the camera. You can't see it and I can't go down. Just try to. That is my house basically. So I know you can't see it. Let's go down. Hope you can see it now. No. So that's my house. I have to zoom out the video to 0.5 because when I was recording it in 1, I wasn't able to show the full house. So that's my house. Let's go inside again now because it's very cool outside. I suddenly remember that I forgot to add a part in the video. So it's a nameplate thing. So you can't see it properly. I'll flip the camera also. That's a nameplate I covered. So when I was decorating the house, I suddenly remember that I forgot to cover this part. So I'm recording it again and I'll add it somewhere in the video only before finishing it. Family. So I'll add this in the end of the video before the end scene. So we are inside now and I'm going again upstairs in the terrace because I need to take my solo pictures and make a reel video also. So I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, you know what to do. Click on the bell icon, like the video, share and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy Diwali once again. And if I am posting this video around November or December, Happy New Year in advance. Bye-bye.